Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nurul Wasila and now I want to explain about normality test and homogeneity test. Normality test. A normality test is a statistical procedure used to determine whether the correct data follow a normal distribution. A normal distribution means that the data is paired in a symmetrical pattern like a bell curve. This test is important because many statistical analyses, such as the test and Pearson correlation, require the data to be normally distributed. And homogeneity test. A homogeneity test is used to find out whether two groups of data have equal variances. This is especially important in the independent test because it compares two different groups and we need to make sure the spirit or variance of the data in each group is similar. When should this test be used? The normality test is used before conducting statistical tests such as the independent test, dependent test, and Pearson correlation. This is because three tests only give valid results if the data is normally distributed. On the other hand, the homogeneity test is only needed before using the independent test. This is because this test compares two different groups. So we need to make sure the variance in each group is equal to make the comparison fair and accurate. And number 3, how to interpret the p-value. If the p-value is greater than 0.05, it means for normality, the data is normally distributed. For homogeneity, the variances are equal. And if the p-value is less than or equal to 0.05, it means the data is not normal or the variances are not equal. And the last example of a research title. An example of a research title that requires both the normality and homogeneity test is a comparison of the writing skill of Class A and Class B students after participating in online learning. In the study, because the researcher wants to compare two different groups, it is necessary to test the normality to see whether the data in both groups are normally distributed, and to test homogeneity to ensure the variances of the score between the two groups are equal before applying the independent test.